Why hello there. Welcome back folks. Why hello there. Hey there everybody. Why hello. Welcome back folks. We're not welcoming anybody. It's Shady Cakes, we're back at it again. We're making new videos. Unfortunately, I don't have a how-to video for you today. Just because, well, my 240 is in pieces and my truck is actually still running solid. So, I mean, that's good. But we're gonna do something different. I have got some new parts that have come in, so we're gonna go over them. We've got these Gecko coilovers. Let's unbox them, see what they look like, see what they come with, and see what kind of quality we're dealing with. Let's get into it. Alright, so now that we've got these out of the box, let's go ahead and take a look and see what came along with this. So as you can see, we have two fronts, we have two rears, and I'm not gonna lie. I'm one of those guys that's gonna see something and it's shiny and I really like it. The color combination kind of drew me in the first time that I saw these. So I've got this badass green and purple dust boots, and it drew me in as soon as I saw them, and I was like, okay, as long as the specs fit, I'm buying these. And when it came to specs, there were two different options available for a 95 240 for an S14. There was a street version, and then there is a race version. Now, for my particular needs, street version suited me, and really the only difference was the level of adjustment. So you'll see here at the top, you have the you can click over the levels of adjustment. The street has 24, racing has 32. Something I did go ahead and opt for though, is I ensured that I had camber plates. So as you'll see here, it's a pretty popular mod for a lot of folks that are, not mod, but it's a feature for people who are drifting, is you want to get that additional camber up front. And since I'm going to be running some Hot Boy wheels, that was definitely a feature I needed to ensure was available. The spring rates on these, we have 8K up front and we have 6K in the rear. And as I've been kind of manhandling this around, you'll see that they do have a fully threaded body, which allows for your height adjustment. So speaking of height adjustment, I also did get two spanner wrenches here, and that is what's used to undo the lock nuts and allow you to spin the bodies of these down to or up if you want to raise your vehicle. But other things that were included, we did have a set of instructions. These instructions, they talk about how you can adjust your coilovers. If you've never actually adjusted ride height before, that's very helpful. It also talks about how to set the dampening adjustment on these coilovers. And then of course, what is any set of new parts if you don't get stickers? I've got two different stickers here. I've got a green, I've got a white. These are gonna look dope. I'll probably put one of them on my board back there to go along with my other parts. But so far, really like these. Alright, so Eric is taking the final shots on there so that way we can make our super cut montage, make these things look super dope. But you'll notice they're over there, they look good. I'm actually really excited to go get these installed, but let's take a little trip. You'll notice over here that the 240 is in super pieces, and in place of a front suspension we have a tripod. So I can't quite do an install video yet, but we will get an install done. It just won't happen on this particular one. Today we're just gonna review this product, and they look dope. Look at those things. If you have any questions, go check them out over at gecko-sport.com. You can also reach out to KG Motorsports. That is who hooked me up on mine. So until then, this is Shady Cakes signing off on this new format. I don't know if we're gonna stick with this format, but if we do, see more production value, yeah. Anyway, stay tuned for the next one. I'll see you guys later. Deuce. Don't need to slap. It's not a bag of rice. We don't need to slap. So I hope you're ready for 2 different angles, and it's been a little bit since we've spoken, but I'm trying to get back in your DMs like, what you doing, baby? So my 240 is in pieces, so I am still stuttering. We have not done a video in a little while, but we decided to go ahead and do a video for what we're gonna start over. And